Aloha and mahalo for joining me. I'm Janin. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. Now, I really want to tell you how much I have enjoyed making all these videos. You know, I went from teaching about money and finances, and then I started teaching more about how to dress. And then I also talked a lot about you valuing yourself, which is still important, and I'm still going to definitely talk about that. Because what I'm going to start doing now is I'm going to start sharing and teaching and coaching women, creative women, entrepreneurs who have their own businesses. And I have something special for you. And for those women who really want to make money in their businesses, to be able to support themselves or to support their families. Especially at this time, we really need to start focusing on how we can bring in money, because a lot of people have lost their jobs. And so I really want to help those women who need to bring in income now, but who have this creative gift, and you have a zest for life, and you have a zest and excitement for creating because you are creative. And it doesn't matter what you're creating. Whatever kind of creative business you have, there is no one specific creative business. We all have different types of creative businesses in this world. And that's what's so fabulous about being creative and having your own creative business, is that there is no one type. And you can do anything that you put your heart and soul into. And I want to be here to support you and guide you and coach you. I have coaching available for you, and I also have a free gift for you. And I created this guide of 7 things that you can do right now to transform and ignite your business. And if you feel that you need this right now, click on the link in the show notes and go grab this free guide, because it's really important that you take action right now. And especially if you need to make money to support yourself or your family, go get this guide. And I really want to support you in all that you're doing. And if you have any questions, email me immediately at janin@fashionablefinance.com, and I'm here to help you. And also share this video with anyone who you know would get great value out of watching it. If you know another woman who has a creative business who needs help, share this video with her so that she can go and get all the help she needs, and download that guide as well. But I'm here to let you know that I'm here to support you. We have to stand together and help each other. And I want to thank you so much for watching all my videos. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and click on that like button too. That would help. But I want to be able to share all the knowledge and value that I have with you. I've had my own creative business for many, many years, and I know how you feel and what you go through in having your own business, and what it's like to make money and not make money. So share it, share this video, click on the like button, and click on the link so that you can grab this guide. And I want to thank you for being here, and I hope you have a great day. Aloha.